This is the one, North One.
Live from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we're talking about North One Bank, the one. Small business bank made for small business owners, freelancers, side hustles, anybody like that. I'm going to kind of go over, they are a sponsor, the exclusive business banking sponsor of the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. So please hear this message out and check out this video. In this video, I'm just going to go over their website so you guys have a little bit background about North One. If you use our link, apply.northone.com/Josh, it's not making me any money because they're a sponsor for the next 6 months. But what it's going to give you if you use that link is they charge $10 a month maintenance fee. That's pretty standard with a lot of different banks, traditional banks and whatnot. But by using that link, you're going to get the first month $10, that fee waived. Then after that, it's $10 per month after that, okay? So just putting that out there. But they are a sponsor for Get Business Credit YouTube channel. What is North One? Here's their website. Literally, to open up an account, it takes 3 to 5 minutes, unlike traditional banks. They want all these documents and it takes a long time, sometimes 6 hours, 12 hours, a couple days. Sometimes you don't hear back for 4 or 5 days it can take. Or you have to go into branches and get all these documents and sign like 18 different pages. With North One, you don't have to. Business banking made for America. North One makes the hardest parts of running your business easy. Open an account in minutes. That's right, minutes. It literally took me like 3 or 4 minutes to open up my North One account. And just to be a little bit transparent, before they became a sponsor, I opened up an account with them when I wasn't being paid or a sponsor at all. And I literally opened up less than 5 minutes. They didn't require all these different corporation documents like a lot of the traditional banks do. So what you're going to do is just literally put in your email. Just a little disclosure, North One is a financial technology company, not a bank. Banking services provided by the Bancorp Bank, member FDIC. So your money's insured and everything, just like any other bank. Bancorp is a very, very large asset bank, so your money is very well taken care of and safe, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. North One is more like a fintech bank, just like everything else is becoming. Right here, just a little bit about them. They're featured in Forbes, the New York Times, Fortune. They are trusted by 320,000 plus, and that number needs to be updated because I know it's higher than that now. But it's trusted by 320,000 plus American businesses. North One makes banking simple for small businesses by talking to real business owners. They built banking experience that takes the stress out of managing your day-to-day finances. So you're not going to get charged like overdraft fees, although you shouldn't be doing any, you should be managing your money, your business income and stuff, so you don't have overdraft fees. But just a little side note, they don't charge for overdraft or NSF fees. That's going to save $30, $35 each time, although again, you shouldn't be doing that. So you just apply for accounts. Here's some features right here. Sorry, my screen's going a little crazy. Never step into a bank branch again. It's so annoying going into banks where, especially with COVID going on, the social distancing, I understand that and everything, but you go into like a major bank, I'm not going to mention any names, but you know, you go to those banks and you may be in there for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, just to maybe deposit money or withdraw money or do a wire transfer. You can do all that on the app right with North One. Okay, it's digital banking. Simply powerful payments, free deposits and withdrawals, automatic budgeting, and business debit cards. The other thing cool about it is you can literally get virtual debit cards. You can use the app. I'm not going to pull it up right this second, but you can literally click at the button, make a virtual business debit card, and you can set a limit on it, whatever you want. just like a lot of these other fintechs, but this is for your business checking account. So it's pretty powerful, and they don't charge anything for that as well. I don't want to bore you with all this. Plan a budget for what matters the most. Create envelopes to automatically budget for taxes, payroll, rent, and other business expenses. I'll show you that later, but I'll tell you this is a really cool feature they have. So you can set things up, say for like every $100 that gets deposited or comes into your bank account, your business bank account, you can have it set up where you have a percentage or amount, say like 10% go into taxes. So you could, and it still stays in there. It's not going to taxes. It's just like virtual envelopes within your account. So they're like sub savings accounts labeled as whatever you want, taxes, payroll, rent, and it just helps you save and budget better, you know? So I don't want to bore you guys with everything on here. There's just too much to cover, but it's easy to deposit, easy to withdraw. You can deposit at ATMs. You can get the green dot cards loaded at different places like Walmart and pharmacies if you want to add money on there quickly, accept ACH deposits, do bank wires, incoming and outgoing, all that. It's everything you need. And I will let you guys know this. If you already have a business bank account, that's okay. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Open up a bank account. apply.northone.com/Josh. Why? I actually have like 6 different businesses, and every business I have 2 to 3 different individual bank accounts with different financial institutions. I have my primary, and then I have other ones. And why I do that is, again, not putting all my eggs in one basket, and it's just better to have money moved around a little bit for like savings purposes, and again, for security purposes too. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So what type of business do you own? Corporation, they accept LLC, C Corp, S Corp, partnerships. They even accept sole proprietorships, and a freelancer, independent contractor, or 1099. So if you're like a DoorDash or Instacart or Uber Eats driver, you could still set up an account. You actually definitely want to. And the other thing that's good about them is they integrate with like PayPal, all the different platforms, QuickBooks, all that. If you're trying to get funding in the future, if you're a new business owner and you want to get like working capital, it syncs with like PayPal and Plaid, which can help you get with a lot of the fintech business companies to help you get funding. So it's already set up where it's just one easier step to get funding with. I'm not saying North One's giving you funding, but it's already integrated with Plaid, so you can connect North One with Plaid to say any of the business fintech credit cards that are offering business lines of credit. This is an important part I'm going to put out here. 320,000 plus businesses trust North One to keep their money safe. Your deposits are FDIC insured to at least 250,000 through the Bancorp Bank, member FDIC, by using Touch ID or Face ID to log into your North One account. Your payments, sensitive information, and transaction details are safe from prying eyes. Okay, that's about it. I'm not going to bore you guys anymore. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to sign up. They don't require all these documents like traditional banks. apply.northone.com/Josh. They are the exclusive fintech business banking for Get Business Credit as far as a sponsorship for the channel. You don't have anything to lose. Sign up, give them a try. I'm sure you'll like them. They have a lot of features I haven't even covered. I'll do that in future videos. Anyways, just show some support by signing up with them, and you'll get that first month service fee waived. apply.northone.com/Josh. The link will be in the description below. Again, they are a paid sponsor, but even though they are a paid sponsor, I do like North One, and I personally do bank with them. Like I said, North One, one of my companies, I use North One exclusively. All right. With all that being said, you guys take care. Thanks again. Bye-bye.